Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna organize my linen closet. It is a disaster and the cabinet doors are off right now because we're redoing them. But if you would like to see me reorganize this messy closet, then keep on watching and please subscribe and like this video. So this is what we're working with. A huge mess. And the lighting's not that good over here because it's in a hallway and there's not very good lighting, so bear with me. But let's get started.
We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. We can do what we like.
To wipe down the shelves, I'm using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in Clementine. I get most of my cleaning products from Globe Collaborative, and they're always giving a free gift for new members. So I will have that link below if you're interested.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do. We can sleep under the stars or hang out in hotel bars. We can sleep under the stars. Oh, the stars. Oh, the stars. We can do what we like. We can do what we like. Baby, while we're young. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under
So the first thing I'm doing is just taking everything off the shelves, and then I'm gonna wipe them down. So I'm going through this black canvas bin, and I'm just going to go through the expiration dates on the kids' medicine, throw any trash away, and then separate the medicine from like bathroom and toothbrushes, toothpaste, sunscreen, all that kind of stuff in these two blue baskets I got at the Dollar Tree.
Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free with me. looking back. Eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde. A classic cliche, we're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss now. I'm done living life with the lights out. Died with my own doubts. Be free. Feels like time is
So right here, the black bin was too tall to fit in that upper shelf, so I eventually switched it to one of those blue baskets from the Dollar Tree.
try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we
So here I am switching all the stuff in the black basket to the blue one so I can put it on the top shelf and keep the kids out of the medicine.
Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
So right here, I'm just putting all the toothbrushes in this little white container. It's like one of those that you put like pencils and stuff in your desk or whatever, those long skinny ones. And I got them at the Dollar Tree as well, and it was a 3-pack for $1.
Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
I'd go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, oh you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
So in this box, I am just putting the boys' like baby blankets and sheets and stuff in there. There's blankets that my great aunt crocheted, blankets my sister made, a blanket that the church made us. So just a lot of like ones I don't want to get rid of, and plus we want to have one more baby. So I hang on to everything in case we have another boy. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just packing up all the baby sheets and blankets in this box.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat.
If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what they say. And we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are.
So here's the overview of the linen closet. I managed to get everything on these top 3 shelves, and the bottom ones are empty. And we have towels right here, hand towels, and then wash rags in this basket from Dollar Tree. Then we have an extra comforter for mine and my husband's bed, and the boys' extra blankets and sheets, and those bottom blankets actually go in the car. We have games, extra curtains, and this basket has like extra toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, all that kind of stuff. And then this one is all the boys' medication. And these baskets are from the Dollar Tree. I wanted the medicine on the top, so of course the boys wouldn't get into it.
No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, then we'll shout it out.
So the next clip is Grayson showing you this train thing he got from the Polar Express, and he wanted to show you guys, so I inserted this clip.
Tender right here with the wheels and this and
Okay, y'all say bye.
bye.
Say bye, Gannon.